Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to calculate dates automatically in Notion. This is incredibly useful when you're tracking project timelines, monitoring deadlines, or simply need to know how many days exist between two events without doing the math yourself. First, head over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want to set up your date calculation. You can either create a brand new page by clicking the plus add a page button, or you can work within an existing database if you already have one set up. Either option works perfectly fine depending on your current workflow. Next, you'll need to add your first date property. Click on plus add a property, and from the drop-down menu, select date as your property type. Give this property a clear name like start date so you know exactly what it represents. This will serve as your reference point for the calculation. Now repeat this same process to add a second date property. This time name it something like end date. Having both a start and end date allows Notion to calculate the time span between them, which is the whole point of this setup. Here's where the magic happens. Click plus add a property once more, but this time select formula from the property types. Give your formula property a descriptive name, such as days between. This property will house the actual calculation that does all the work for you. Click inside the formula input box that appears. You'll need to type in the following formula exactly as shown. Date between prop end date, prop start date, days. This formula tells Notion to calculate the difference between your end date and start date, measuring the result in days. Once you've entered it correctly, click Done or simply click outside the formula box to save it. Now comes the easy part. Go ahead and enter your actual start and end dates in the respective date properties for each entry in your database. As soon as you input both dates, the formula property automatically springs into action and displays the number of days between them. No manual calculation needed whatsoever. And that's it. Your Notion workspace now handles date calculations automatically, saving you time and eliminating potential errors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.